Hi everybody, this is Kazmi Sayed AK with you guys today again. Right now it's 4:07 p.m. 3rd of May. The market closed just a few minutes back. I'm going to talk about today's movements and the scalp idea that I posted, and it worked beautifully. First of all, I'll talk about the idea. Basically, I asked, my idea was like, I wanted you guys to enter here at 2386, which is SPX. In fact, let me tell you the ticker, SPX future. I wanted you guys to enter here at this support, which is at 230, 2380. Pardon me, what's this? It's 2387, and the target was 2388. Why was the target 2388? Because if this is the 5 minute chart, you can see this is the support, the fifth that I do on the last trend, which is the last trend. For those who don't know how to draw the fifths here, this is the last trend on the hourly chart. You just need to identify the last trend, and for me the last trend was a downtrend on 15 minutes chart. Because I'm trading, I'm scalping, so the last trend is 15 minutes charts is from 2394.5 to this area, which is 2379.6. So when you draw the fibs, I saw that it retraced back more to 50%, which always means that if a stock retraces back more than 50%, and in the direction of the retracement would be the next trend. So this is how we actually draw the fifth. But for now, I would be telling you more about the scalp, that why did I take this. The 15-minute chart was bullish. Here you can see this is the area, the support area. We can see that the MACD was widening up, and it was above 50% in the RSI zone. It was over the SMA 50. So all these things tell us that it was a good, strong support. And that is why if you would have entered at here at the support, which was initially the resistance, and it became a support, it could have easily went to the next resistance, which technically was 2388.80. But I could see that there was a gap on the left, and there was a resistance on this is the resistance on the left. So for the safe side, I placed my target at 2388. And even if you go to the even lower time frames at 3 minutes and 1 minute, the RSI was having a bit of space. So I had a feeling that, yeah, because it's not hitting the 70% the overbought area, so yeah, it can go higher. And that it did go higher, and we made this trade, which was a scalp one. Now going a bit on, now going a bit on the swing trade that I have posted, which is on when you go to the daily, and let me show you the ideas that I posted for the swing trade. Is this I updated it yesterday, that this was a long last leg for the swing downwards, and then retracement took place more than 50%. So technically the direction for the trend is upwards. This entire move is called the retest. And I mentioned that it's going to move sideways until the SMA 50 hits the price. So for today, if we go and see the price today on daily chart, let's see if it did hit SMA 50, the price. Yes, it did hit. If you can go and see, I'll zoom in a bit, and I'll remove the previous work that we did on here. So you can see in here easily that it did hit SMA 50 today, and that gave it a bounce upwards, and that is why the entire move up today took place. This entire move on the lower time frame, I'm going to show this entire move took place on the lower time frame, because it did hit the SMA 50 and it works as a strong support. So this is it for now, guys. I'll update more until next time. Take care.